Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday to you. How are you all doing? Now we are on, let's see, week 3, right, of our extended learning experience. And I just wanted to run down some of the things that I have planned for this week. It is Monday, and today you should be finishing up with 3 responses on your discussion board posting. Those responses can be any of the things listed below. They can all be in agreement with other people. They can be against what somebody else believes. They can ask a question. You just have to follow the directions, use your research, because each one of your responses should have a piece of the information that you researched to back up your claim, okay? So the whole purpose of this is to engage in civil discussion with one another while using real facts to support your claim and just being able to listen to each other and engage in conversation, okay? So the next assignment, some of you have actually finished your 3 postings, is we are going to work on chapter 4. There's a worksheet. These are the foundations, the first early part of our government, and there are 11 questions on there. Each question there is a right or a wrong. You can't just write anything and expect to get the points. These are going to be formative points. I am going to correct these. And after that, I will have a PowerPoint recording on Wednesday and on Thursday. And on Friday, we will meet as a class. I really need to encourage everyone to plan on coming to my live WebEx on Friday, because there are administrators that come and visit our class and they would like to see that you're all participating. I will videotape the class hopefully and put it up for those who miss it. But we're just going to discuss the things that we've covered this week and kind of reconnect with the Declaration of Independence, because we're moving on the road to independence right now. So it's really important for us all to understand the birth of our country and why it was important that we fought against tyranny to establish checks and balances of our government so that we can have some control as citizens of the United States over what's going on and the decisions that are being made on our behalf. So with that, I want to extend to you, again, I'm here all day long. Every day you're welcome to email me via Schoology. We can set up a WebEx meeting and we can talk. Any way that I can help you be successful. You should really be looking and finishing everything from Unit 1. Today is the end of Unit 1, Values and Beliefs, and we are moving into the foundations of government. So I hope you have a great day. Please email me if you just want to say hi. Let's make a time to meet up. If you need help with any of your assignments, I'm here to help you. And I know things aren't easy. And keep up the good work. Thanks, everyone.